Yeah, I got all three. Cut me some slack here. Cleaning some stuff up from some hard water buildup because our water is not the greatest in town. It's always extremely hard. So we always have this calcified buildup. Anyway, let's see how this coffee machine cleaner works. Heavy mineralization. May require a second cleaning. We recommend using these tablets twice a month to help prevent mineral buildup. So chuck one of these things in the top, run it twice. Let's see how it does. Hey, Kate, we meet again. Nice to see you. Here's our tab. Oh, better take that out. You know what the actual best test of this product is? Or of any of these three products of the active series? My wife can sense dirt from about 42 kilometers away. And we're talking like on a micro scale. So I'm going to put all the products away after I'm done cleaning and just see what she says. And for those curious, I am just testing this in this video, but I did decide to test all three active series. Those videos will be coming up on the channel as soon as they are all edited and done. Coffee maker is done. No complaining. Reservoir is empty. I did pour this into a glass bowl to see if there was any debris or junk in there. I didn't see anything. A little bit of water left over inside of here. I'm going to give this thing one more rinse through of water. And I'll let you know tomorrow morning how that coffee tastes. So after having a couple of coffees over the weekend, after cleaning my coffee maker, I can definitely say something definitely happened inside that coffee maker. How do I describe it? My coffee just tastes more like coffee.